Google just updated Gemini Gems with something that completely changes how you can use it for business, and almost nobody is talking about what this actually unlocks. Gems can now connect to external apps and pull in live data from calendars, spreadsheets, fitness trackers, and other sources. Most people think this is just a productivity upgrade, but if you understand what I am about to show you, this opens up service opportunities that local businesses desperately need and will pay premium rates for. Stay with me because this is about to click. My name is Paul James. I help creators and freelancers turn free AI tools into actual leverage without spending money on expensive software subscriptions. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is what changed and why it matters. Before this update, Gemini Gems were static assistants. They remembered your instructions and your preferences, but they could not access live information. If you wanted to create content based on current data, you had to manually feed that information in every single time. That created friction and slowed everything down. Now, Gems can connect directly to external data sources. That means your custom AI assistants can pull information from calendars, spreadsheets, project management tools, and even fitness tracking apps automatically. This is not just a convenience feature. This is what I call the dynamic intelligence framework, and it transforms Gems from simple assistants into connected business systems. Let me show you exactly what this means in practice. Imagine you build a gem for a local business. Before this update, that gem could remember their brand voice and their messaging preferences, but you still had to manually input details like upcoming events, current promotions, or inventory status every time you created content. Now that Gem can connect to their Google Calendar, pull their event schedule automatically, and generate promotional content based on what is actually happening this week without you typing a single detail. Here is where things get wild. This update turns Gems into automation engines that businesses pay agencies thousands of dollars to build. You can now offer services that used to require custom software development or expensive monthly subscriptions, and you are doing it with a free tool that takes minutes to set up instead of weeks. Most people never realize this part. When businesses hire agencies or consultants, they are not paying for the tool. They are paying for the outcome. They need content that stays current. They need messaging that adapts to real-time business conditions. They need systems that reduce manual work. This Gems update lets you deliver all of that, and most of your competition has no idea this capability even exists yet. This is where everything clicks. Let me walk you through the services this unlocks. You can offer event-driven content systems to local businesses. Restaurants need social posts and email promotions that align with their actual event calendar. Fitness studios need class announcements that reflect real-time schedule changes. Retail shops need promotional content that matches their current inventory and sales cycles. Before this update, keeping all that content current required constant manual updates. Now you build a gem that connects to their calendar or spreadsheet, and it generates accurate, timely content automatically. You can offer data-responsive marketing systems. Real estate agents need market updates that pull from current listing data. Contractors need project status communications that reflect actual job timelines. Service businesses need performance reports that incorporate real metrics. You build gems that connect to their data sources, and suddenly you are delivering insights and communications that adapt to changing conditions without you manually updating anything. You can offer client progress tracking systems. Personal trainers need weekly check-ins that reference actual workout data. Consultants need status updates that reflect project milestones. Coaches need accountability messages that tie to real client activities. This Gems update lets you build assistants that pull information from fitness apps, project tools, or tracking spreadsheets and generate personalized communications based on that live data. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me give you a concrete example of how this plays out. Imagine you work with a yoga studio owner named Jennifer. She runs a schedule that changes weekly based on instructor availability and class demand. Before this update, creating social posts and email reminders meant manually checking her schedule every single time. Now you build a gem that connects to her Google Calendar. That gem sees which classes are happening this week, who is teaching them, and what times they start. It generates promotional posts and reminder emails automatically based on that live schedule data. Jennifer sees content that is always accurate and always timely, and your workload just dropped by hours every week. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. You can stack this capability across multiple business functions. Let's say you work with a local contractor, you build one gem that connects to his project management spreadsheet and generates client update emails based on current job status. You build another gem that connects to his calendar and creates social posts promoting his availability for new projects. You build a third gem that connects to his invoicing data and drafts payment reminder messages. Each gem pulls live information and produces communications that stay current without manual input. That contractor just got a communication system that most agencies would charge thousands to build, and you set it up with free tools in a fraction of the time. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. Your clients do not need to understand how Gemini Gems works or that it connects to their data sources. They just see that you deliver content and communications that are always accurate and always timely. They see that your systems adapt to their business conditions without them having to brief you constantly. They see results that look like you have a dedicated team monitoring their operations when it is actually just well-configured gems running in the background. I remember feeling overwhelmed trying to keep client information current when I first got started. Every piece of content required checking multiple sources to make sure details were accurate. Event dates, pricing, availability, schedules. It was exhausting and created constant risk of publishing outdated information. Now there is a tool that handles all of that automatically by connecting directly to the source of truth. If I had this capability back when I was building my business from my brother's garage with no resources, I could have delivered results that competed with established agencies from day one. This gets even better when you understand the positioning angle. Businesses are already paying for calendar tools, spreadsheet software, and project management platforms. They are already maintaining that data for their own operations. What they are not doing is leveraging that data to automate their marketing and communications. You come in and say, you are already tracking this information. Let me build you a system that turns it into automated content and updates. You are not asking them to change their workflows or adopt new tools. You are just connecting what they already have to an output system they desperately need. Think about this for a second. Before this GEMS update, if businesses wanted marketing automation that pulled from live data, they needed expensive platforms or custom development. Now you can deliver that capability using free tools, and you can position yourself as someone who builds systems instead of just creating content. That is a completely different value proposition, and it commands completely different rates. Here is what this means for you right now. If you already work with clients, audit what data sources they are already using. Calendars, spreadsheets, CRMs, scheduling tools, tracking apps. Then build gems that connect to those sources and automate the communications they need. Show them how their content stays current without them having to brief you every time. You just increased your value dramatically without changing your pricing. If you are just starting out, this is your competitive edge. You can pitch local businesses on automated communication systems they did not even know were possible. You are not competing with other freelancers on content creation. You are competing with expensive agency retainers and software subscriptions by offering similar outcomes at better economics. The businesses that say yes are the ones who see the value in systems that reduce their manual workload while keeping their marketing current. Imagine what your next 90 days look like after building these connected gem systems. You land clients who pay premium rates because you deliver automation and accuracy that nobody else in your market can match. Your actual workload stays manageable because the gems handle the data integration and content generation, optimization, and client growth. This is not about replacing your strategic thinking. This is about eliminating the repetitive data checking and manual updating work that drains your time and creates risk. You still bring the business understanding, the messaging strategy, and the quality control. The gems just handle the data connection and content execution so you can focus on delivering outcomes that actually grow your clients' businesses. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.